Hi guys, myself Ankit. In this video we shall see another problem on LeetCode. Same tree. So given the roots of two binary trees P and Q, write a function to check if the trees are same or not. So what do you mean by same tree? I mean this trees must be identical. If there is a given node and a node to write present in both the trees, then the both nodes should have same value like that. So two binary trees are considered the same if they're structurally identical. So that means the structure, if there is no one right node for one tree, there should be a right node for other tree also for the same node. So and the nodes also must have the same value. Basically, the two trees must be same entirely. It must be same. So that is what we have to check. So here, what we will do is how we can approach the problem is we can use the recursive method. That is for sure. So there are one case where they have told like structurally it should be identical. So first we will check that. Okay, what if the two trees are empty? So what if the two trees are empty as I've given? The nodes, number of nodes can be ranging from 0 to 100, so there can be nodes of 0 also. What if both the trees have the nodes empty? So that is if there is no P and no Q, then what we need to do, we have to just return true. If both nodes are empty, that means no tree is present, then you can just return true. Means they are identical. That is one case. Other case is structurally identical means, see, what if one tree has node and other tree doesn't have node? So if P not of P or not of Q. So this means something like this. 1, 2. And this will have only 1. Okay. So 1 are equal. But when you come to this particular node, 2 is present, but here no 2 is not present, any node is not present. So in this case this will be false and this will be true. So or condition will result in true. Hence what you have to return, that is false. That means the trees are not identical. Either of the trees having the nodes is not acceptable. If there is nodes, they must be there in both the trees and they should be identical also. I mean, they should have the same value. That is one case. So if none of these two cases happen, the last case would be what? What we have to check? We have to check for the same value. So what if p dot value is not equal to q dot value? Okay, dot in Java, in C++, we use the arrow mark symbol. So what if the values are not equal? Here instead of 1, if we have 3, this 3 and 1 are just, let's have two nodes, 3 and 1. So here it is 2 and here it is 2. Okay, so 3 and 1 are not equal. Hence, they cannot be a identical trees. So you just return false. What if all these conditions get passed? I mean, all of these conditions becomes true. That means the node is not empty and both the trees have nodes and the values are equal. Then what we need to do? So for that case, we will take the tree 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. So let's say we are at node root. This is pointing as P and this is Q. So are they empty? No. Are one of the nodes are empty? No. Are both the values nodes have the both same values? Yes, it is. So all these conditions have become false. So what else we have to do? Now we have to check whether it's sub tree. Let's say here we have 3 and 3. We have to check recursive method call for each same tree of node dot left and same thing for p dot left and q dot left and same tree of p dot right and q dot right. So return same tree of what, one is p dot left and q dot left, other and should be, because both conditions should return true, and same tree of p dot right and q dot right. So again first we call this one, this later we give the and condition and call the same tree for this. So when you call this, it will go here, cursor will move here. Again two are equal and none of them is empty and none of the nodes are empty, both the nodes are there. So again now you, because you go for this, so this will return true. Okay, when you go here again, because why will it return true? None of these conditions are becoming false, because okay, once you go this, it will again go for root dot left, but here it is null. Since both are null, you just return true here. Okay, next you go for left also here, so that will also return null. So that means this condition again true will happen. Now you go back and now you go to this node 3 and 3, that is this part. Again you check for left and right, this will become true, left and right null null, it will return true. Again you trace back and finally this will return as true as the answer. So this is the approach to solve the problem. So first what we need to do, first we have to check if there is no p and no q. If they're empty, or just write p equal to null or q equal to null pointer, then you return true. What if either of the nodes are empty or not of q? Then you have to return false. There cannot be a situation where one node has a tree and another node doesn't have a, one tree has a node and another node doesn't have a, other tree doesn't have a node for that particular node. Let's say if 2 is present here and this 2 is not present here in the second tree, then it's not identical. So we return false. So next other condition will be, what if p dot val is not equal to q dot val? So just return false. If all of them becomes true, then I mean gets passed, then just return the same tree of p dot left, comma q dot left, and again same thing is same tree of p dot right, comma q dot right. Yeah, we can run this. Okay, okay, I just gave here dot, because in C++ we have to use the arrow mark. Yes, and for Java also the same code, but instead of arrow mark you use the dot over there. So that's the only difference present. So this must be dot. Yes, I shall run this now. Okay, so here we cannot use this or operator since it's not a boolean type. So we'll just write it as null. Tree node is not of boolean type, that's why. And here also we have to write. Okay. So this should be equal to null. Again same thing applies over the next condition as well. Yes. Okay. Okay. Yeah, successfully submitted. If you understood the concept, please do like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'll come up with other video next session. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.